Fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verb for the following phrases. I couldn't dash the information in the document, so I asked for help. The correct phrasal verb is make out. I couldn't make out the information in the document, so I asked for help. Please dash your shoes before entering the house. The correct phrasal verb is take off. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. I need to dash this essay before the deadline. The correct phrasal verb is hand in. I need to hand in this essay before the deadline. She had to dash her tears when she heard the news. The correct phrasal verb is hold back. She had to hold back her tears when she heard the news. He dash his mother's traits, such as her blue eyes and blonde hair. The correct phrasal verb is takes after. He takes after his mother's traits, such as her blue eyes and blonde hair. She dash the phone when I called her. The correct phrasal verb is picked up. She picked up the phone when I called her. Can you dash the music a little bit? It's too loud. The correct phrasal verb is turn down. Can you turn down the music a little bit? It's too loud. I have to dash the report to my boss. The correct phrasal verb is pass on. I have to pass on the report to my boss. The company decided to dash the project due to a lack of funding. The correct phrasal verb is put off. The company decided to put off the project due to a lack of funding. I'm going to dash my old clothes and donate them to charity. The correct phrasal verb is sort out. I'm going to sort out my old clothes and donate them to charity.